Your 20s are the foundation for your financial future. Yet, most people make money mistakes that cost them thousands, sometimes even millions, over their lifetime. The worst part? Many don't even realize they're making these mistakes until it's too late. But not you. Today, we're breaking down the 5 biggest money mistakes young adults make, and most importantly, how to fix them before they wreck your financial future. If you want to avoid years of financial stress, stick around to the end, because mistake number 5 is the one that traps the most people and keeps them broke for decades. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Picture this. It's the end of the month, you check your bank account, and there's barely anything left. Sound familiar? This is what living paycheck to paycheck looks like, and it's one of the biggest financial traps young adults fall into. Why is this a problem? You have no emergency fund, which means one unexpected expense, like a car repair, can throw you into debt. You can't invest or save for big goals because your money disappears as fast as it comes in. You're constantly stressed about money, making it harder to focus on your future. How to fix it? 1. Track your expenses. Use free apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to see exactly where your money is going. 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills, 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, 20% for savings and investments. 3. Increase your income. If your paycheck isn't enough to cover necessities and savings, consider a side hustle, freelancing, or upskilling to get a higher-paying job. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about spending too much. It's about not having a financial plan. The sooner you break out of this cycle, the faster you can build real wealth. Mistake number 2. Ignoring investing. Thinking it's for later. Many young people think investing is something you do when you're older, but that mindset is costing them hundreds of thousands of dollars in the long run. Why is this a problem? The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow due to compound interest. If you wait until your 30s or 40s, you'll have to invest way more each month to catch up. Let's do the math. Imagine you start investing just $200 per month at age 22 with a 10% average annual return. By age 60, you'll have $1.2 million. But if you wait until 32 to start, you'll only have $450,000, less than half. How to fix it? 1. Open an investment account. Start with a Roth IRA or a brokerage account. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, contribute enough to get the free money. 2. Invest in index funds. Low-cost index funds like the S&P 500 have historically returned 8 to 10% per year. Perfect for beginners. 3. Automate your investments. Set up automatic contributions so you don't have to think about it. Bottom line, the sooner you start investing, the easier it is to build wealth. Even if it's just $50 a month, just start. Mistake number 3. Racking up credit card debt. Credit cards can be a powerful tool, but they can also wreck your finances if you're not careful. Why is this a problem? The average credit card interest rate is 20% or higher, meaning if you only make minimum payments, your debt will snowball fast. Many young adults use credit cards to fund a lifestyle they can't actually afford. Too much debt lowers your credit score, making it harder to buy a car, rent an apartment, or get a mortgage later. How to fix it? 1. Stop carrying a balance. Pay off your credit card in full every month to avoid interest. 2. Use credit cards responsibly. Only spend what you can pay off each month. Use them for necessities, like groceries and gas, to build credit. Take advantage of cashback rewards, but never let rewards tempt you into overspending. 3. If you're in debt, use the avalanche or snowball method. Avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first to save money. Snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for quick wins. Credit card debt is one of the hardest financial holes to escape. Don't let it trap you. Use credit wisely, and it can actually help build your wealth. Mistake number 4. Not building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, or you get hit with a surprise medical bill. If you don't have savings, you'll go straight into debt. Why is this a problem? Without an emergency fund, you'll have to rely on credit cards or loans when unexpected expenses hit. Even a $500 emergency can throw your budget completely off track. Job loss can happen to anyone, and if you don't have savings, you could struggle for months. How to fix it? 1. Start small. Aim for $1,000 first. This covers most small emergencies. 2. Build up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your safety net in case of job loss. 3. Keep it in a separate high-yield savings account, so you're not tempted to spend it. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Start building yours today. Mistake number 5. Not learning about money and personal finance. This is the biggest mistake young people make, ignoring financial education. Schools don't teach personal finance, so if you don't actively learn, you'll make costly mistakes for years. Why is this a problem? Without financial knowledge, you're more likely to fall for scams, make bad investments, or stay in debt. You might work hard your entire life, but never build wealth because you didn't know how. The earlier you learn, the easier it is to get ahead. How to fix it? 1. Read books. Start with Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. 2. Follow finance YouTubers and podcasts, free education from experts. 3. Take action. Learning is great, but execution is what builds wealth. Start budgeting, investing, and making smarter money choices today. Your financial future is in your hands. The more you learn now, the better your life will be later. Final thoughts. Your 20s are the most important decade for your financial future. If you avoid these 5 big money mistakes, you'll be miles ahead of most people your age. Quick recap. 1. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Budget and increase your income. 2. Start investing now, even if it's just a little. 3. Use credit cards wisely. Never carry a balance. 4. Build an emergency fund to protect yourself. 5. Keep learning about money so you can make smart financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on personal finance, investing, and building wealth. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest money mistake you've seen people make? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.